Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about fish farming. Okay, it's a continuation from our previous topic on fish farming. Do we understand? Remember, fish farming means raising fish in special places like ponds or tanks. And people do this to grow fish for us to eat, right? They take care of the fish foods, water, and where they live to help them grow well. So today we are going to be looking at the different types of ponds. Okay, so one we have earthen ponds. These are natural or artificial created ponds with earthen walls and bottoms. They are the most common type for fish farming. Earthen ponds are made from natural or dug out earth. Okay? Concrete ponds. These are constructed using concrete walls and bottoms, offering more durability and control over water quality. Okay? So concrete ponds are built with concrete walls and floors. Lined ponds. These ponds have a lining, often made of materials like plastics, to prevent seepage and maintain water quality. Lined ponds have a plastic or similar lining to prevent water leakage. Cage ponds. Nets or cage are submerged in natural water bodies like lakes or rivers to contain and farm fish. So nets in natural water bodies to farm fish. So these are the types of ponds we have: earthen ponds, concrete ponds, lined ponds, and caged ponds. Okay? So next we are going to be looking at establishment of a fish pond. Okay? Establishment of a fish pond means creating a place where fish can live and grow. Do we understand? Establishing a fish pond refers to the process of creating a suitable environment for raising fish for maybe commercial or recreational purposes. Okay, so the process includes site selection. Choose a suitable location with access to water sources, good soil quality, and proper drainage. You pick a suitable place with clean water, good soil, and proper drainage. Okay? Design. Plan the pond's size, shape, and depth based on the fish species you intend to farm. Decide how big, deep, and what shape the pond should be. Soil testing. Analyze the soil for its texture, composition, and pH to ensure it's suitable for pond construction. You make sure the soil is okay for the pond, not too leaky. Water supply. Ensure a consistent and clean water supply for the pond. Okay? Ensure water can flow into the pond. Clean water. Legal permits. Obtain the necessary permits and approvals for fish farming in your area. Get the needed permissions. Do we understand? So these are the process of establishing a fish pond. Okay? Remember, establishing a fish pond means creating a place where fish can live and grow, right? And the processes include picking a good spot, building the pond, and setting up everything so the fish can live comfortably. It's like making a home for the fish. Okay? So we are going to be looking at the step in establishing fish pond. What are the steps in establishing fish pond? Excavation. Dig the pond according to the design, ensuring proper slope and depth. Make a hole for the pond. You dig a hole. Okay? Levee construction. Build the pond's embankments to prevent flooding and seepage. Make walls around the hole to keep water in. Do we understand? Inlet and outlet structures. Install structures for water inflow and outflow, including screens to prevent fish escape. Put pipes or channels for water to come in and go out. Filling and sealing. Fill the pond with water and allow it to settle. Check for leaks and sealing if necessary. Add water and make sure it doesn't leak. Liming and fertilization. Adjust water pH and add necessary nutrients to enhance fish growth. Check the water and add stuff to help the growth of the fish. So these are the steps in establishing fish pond. You dig a hole, build walls, create a structure to let water in and out, fill the pond, and help the fish grow. Okay? So we now know the steps in establishing a fish pond, right? In case you want to have your own fish pond. Okay? Good. So next we're going to be looking at construction and maintenance of fish pond. Construction and maintenance of fish pond means the process of building and taking care of a fish pond. Construction involves building the physical structure of the pond, while maintenance means looking after the pond, keeping it in good condition, and ensuring that the fish living in it have the right environment to grow and stay healthy. It's like building a house for the fish and making sure it stays in good shape. Okay? Aeration. Install aeration systems like aerators or paddle wheels to maintain oxygen levels. You put in things to keep the water fresh for the fish. To add air. Okay? Feeding. Provide appropriate fish feed and monitor feeding schedules. Give them the right food at the right times. Water quality management. Regularly test and adjust water parameters including temperature, pH, and dissolved oxygen. Keep the water clean and safe for the fish. Disease management. Implement biosecurity measures to prevent disease outbreaks. Do things to stop the fish from getting sick. Harvesting. Harvest fish when they reach the desired size. Use appropriate methods like seining or draining the pond. When they are big enough, take them out of the pond. Okay, so construction and maintenance of fish pond is the process of building and taking care of a fish pond, making a home for the fish and making sure they are in a good shape, right? Good. So today's lesson in fish farming, we looked at types of pond, right? We mentioned the earthen pond, concrete pond, lined pond, and caged ponds, right? We also looked at the establishment of a fish pond, right? Selecting a suitable location, designing the pond, checking soil quality, ensuring a water supply, obtaining necessary permits. We said all that, right? Then we looked at steps in establishing a fish pond. We said digging the pond, building walls, setting up water inlets and outlets, filling and sealing the pond, managing water quality and adding nutrients. We said all that. Good. And next we looked at construction and maintenance of fish pond. Aeration, feeding fish, monitoring water conditions, disease prevention, harvesting fish when ready. We said all that, right? So the basis of fish farming is all about choosing the right pond type to maintain a healthy environment for fish growth. Okay? Good. So next, we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that's good.